So anytime you have a personal injury case, there's always this question about insurance limits. So this video is going to talk about what does it mean to have insurance limits. Well, insurance products are just like every other product. There's all different types. So if you go to the store and you buy a type of razor, for instance, you have like 30 choices, right? It's not just one razor, it's like 30 razors. And some have like a sensitive skin thing, and some have 3 blades, and some have 4 blades, and some you can order by mail, and some they're replaceable. So insurance is no different. Car insurance is no different. There's all kinds of car insurance. It's not just one version. Well, when you go and you purchase car insurance, you've got multiple different decisions to make, right? What type of coverage do I want? Do I want full coverage? If I don't want full coverage, how much less than full coverage do I want? And what amount of insurance do I need to feel safe that my assets are protected? And what amount do I want to set for the injuries that could be caused to me and my family if something bad were to happen to us? Those are limits, right? You're setting the limits when you buy the product. Well, anytime a car wreck happens, we look for the limits of the at-fault party first, and those limits control how much money you can get for your case. And some may ask, well, wait a minute. What about going after the person that's responsible? Well, you can go after the person that's responsible all day long, every day, right? But if they don't have assets and all they have is a $10,000 insurance policy and that's their limits, then getting their limits is probably all you're ever going to realistically see. Because if you get a judgment against somebody that doesn't have a lot of cash, right, doesn't have a lot of assets, they're going to file bankruptcy. And what happens when you file bankruptcy? All of your debts go away. So you get zero. So that's why it makes sense to have as much insurance as you possibly can buy on your policy, because you need to protect yourself given that other people's limits are going to be probably low. So when you hear the term policy limits, that means that's the most you can get from that insurance policy or that product, because that's the most that person purchased. If you have questions about policy limits or car wreck cases or any type of injury case, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.